I guess you already found the notes on the 3rd fret.
Yes, I did. Here they are. G, C, F, A sharp, D, and G again.
Very good! The 3rd fret will later become an important position. So keep it in mind.
Alright, I will.
Knowing all these notes give us the chance to try our first riff.
You said riff? What is it?
According to Collins English Dictionary, in jazz and rock music, a riff is a short, repeated tune.
I see, like a same melody played many times.
Exactly. Today we study a simple one.
I'm ready.
Press your ring finger on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and play it once. Then your middle finger plays 5th string, 2nd fret, once. Now, use again your ring finger, but press 5th string, 3rd fret, twice.
I see. G, B, C, C.
That's it. Now play all the notes in succession twice.
Got it.
Let's continue with the second part.
Second part. Ready.
Ring finger presses again 5th string, 3rd fret, but only once. Then middle finger plays 5th string, 2nd fret, once. Open 5th string twice.
That's C, B, A.
Now add this. Open 6th string once. Ring finger on 6th string, 3rd position, once. Open 5th string twice.
E, G, A. Okay.
Play the whole second part, please.
Here it comes.
Well done! Third part.
Go for it!
Open 5th string once. Ring finger on 6th string, 3rd fret, once. Four finger on 6th string, 1st fret, twice.
A, G, F, F. Is there more?
Just these. 4 finger on 6th string, 1st fret, once. Open 5th string once. Ring finger on 6th string, 3rd fret, twice.
F, A, G, G. That's all?
Almost. Complete the riff using the first part.
That is G, B, C, C, G, B, C, C.
And now we're ready for our first complete riff.